guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my own dip powder nails. I'm going to do a baby boomer French fade design with some fun dip powders from Rossi that I got. So let's get right into the video. So in case you're not familiar, Rossi Nails is a nail art company and they sell some gel colors, but mostly they sell dip powders. So I've done already a couple videos about them on my channel. I really enjoy using their products. So I was recently sent their Girls Night Out collection. It features 6 different colors. Let's take a look at these. So there is a black and it's called Fabulous Black. Then we have Tiara. This is a really fun glittery pink. Merlot is a dark red, kind of like a brick wine color. Then we have Celebration, which is one of their more popular gold glitter shades. Then getting into the lighter colors, we have Snowdrop, which is a pretty light silver, and Made My Day, which is a gray color. Alrighty, so for the design I'm going to do today, from this collection, we're just going to need the gold here, the Celebration. And for the baby boomer, you're also going to need a light pink. This is Honeymoon, and then also a plain white, and this is Snow White. And to do a dip manicure, you will also need the Essentials kit, which has the base coat, activator, and top coat. So now that we have our supplies, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so to prepare my nails, in my previous video, I used poly gel to extend some of the broken nails here. So to prep them, I'm just going to use a file and kind of roughen up the surface a little bit. I'm also going to make sure all the cuticles are pushed back and the nail is filed to my desired shape. Alrighty, so now I'm ready to begin. I'm going to take the base and apply it about 3/4 of the way up my nail, and then to get the ombre effect I'm going to use a little brush, one for each color, and I'm going to tap on some of the white powder to the tip of the nail and then the pink powder to the cuticle side. And we'll do this a couple times to get a nice gradient, and I did actually do another gradient tutorial on my channel when I used pink and silver. That one was really fun. So for this one we're going to do that pink and white ombre on the thumb, middle, and pinky nail. And the reason why I'm not applying the dip all the way up the nail is because we're going to have to do a couple coats, and if we do each coat with it all the way up the nail, it will get kind of bulky, the cuticle area. So we're just going to do probably just the last coat all the way up at the cuticle. Alright, so I'm just going to brush off the excess powder from the nails, and then we're going to do the second coat. The ombre dip powder technique is a little bit finicky to work with, but once you're happy, you're going to grab the activator and liberally apply it to the 3 nails and let dry for 1 minute. And this is what will harden the layers of dip powder together. If you don't do this, the nails won't ever dry, so this is an important step. Now while these are drying, what you can now do is go on to the other nails. So on the pointer nail, we're going to do a blend from the gold to the white. So using the same brush technique, I'm going to use a different brush for the gold and then for the white and do an ombre on the pointer nail there. And then while that dries, I'm going to go ahead and do the ring nail, and that will just be a full coverage of the gold color. Then I'm going to apply activator to the last 2 nails we finished up here. Then I'm going to grab a file, here I'm just using one from Gershon, and just shape these up a bit. Alright, so once you have finished buffing off and shaping the nails, now you can go in with your second coat of activator and apply that to all the nails. Then you're going to grab the Rossi Topcoat and apply this to all the nails, and I love this top coat because it is so glossy. So you're going to apply the first coat really quickly, and then when that's dried, you're going to go in for the second coat, and this will just make sure the nail is super glossy because that first coat just kind of sinks in a little bit, kind of hard to describe. And for some reason with this second coat, the brush just totally hardened up on me. I did have this happen one time before, but not anytime since, so that's kind of a weird thing. Alright, so you're just going to give this another minute to dry. Finally, I'm going to grab my favorite cuticle oil, jojoba oil, and apply that to all the nails and rub that in. And there is the finished mani. I really love how this one turned out. The baby boomers were very fun to do, and I like how the gold kind of pairs with the pink and white in that way. So comment below, what do you think of this mani? Would you wear something like this? For my next video, I haven't really done much of orange nails on my channel, so I'm thinking of swatching this New York Colors orange polish I got in my next Polish of the Week episode. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would, and hit that bell so you won't miss my next video. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I want to thank you so much for watching all the way to the end with me today. I really appreciate that, and have a magical day.